Well, good evening, traders. Welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout. It's Thursday night. We're relaxing, we're vibing, we're talking trading, and we're talking life. Good evening, everybody. Hopefully you had a solid trading session this morning, and hopefully you're having a solid trading week. What is up, BP? How you doing, brother, man? Man, look at that chart. It's already going on down. Can't move it fast enough. There we go. BP, how's your day today, fam? Hopefully you stayed safe in today's markets. Oh, man, I am thrilled that we're here tonight with y'all, because this is time for me to actually relax, reflect, and vibe with y'all, because today was a day. I'm not even gonna lie, it's been on the go all day today. I've had to myself for the day about 20 minutes, so we're gonna enjoy this time hanging out with you guys. Like someone said in the chat earlier this week, these streams, it's like going to the bar with the boys. So we're here and we're chilling. Oh, that water's amazing right there. So for everyone in here, are we green for the week? Are we red for the week? Are we flat? How are we doing so far? We got one more day to execute. What's up, Niner? Hopefully you're doing well, Niner. 3 trades, 3 accounts, 200, 100. Hey, at least you put money in one of the accounts, bro. Hey, at least it wasn't red across the board. What's up, Jose? Yeah, we need 63 more. We need 63 more subs, and I'm giving away a brand new trading desk once again. Wall Street, what's up, brother? I crashed. Chandler, why did you crash out? Hold up. You can't just let that be the first thing you say. And why did you crash out, Chandler? Uh-oh. You drove? I froze? I shouldn't be freezing. That's not good. Well, hopefully tomorrow you'll have like a couple like airbags, something like that, so you don't crash out as hard tomorrow. I'm excited to trade again tomorrow morning. Simple base hits, and actually on stream tonight, I gotta see how much I need to put in one of my evals, because I thought I passed it earlier, but I made too much in the account. Why do you place a yellow line there? So that line's my line in the sand. If we break below that yellow line, that would be my shorting opportunity. Looking for a bear flag right there. Assuming a person has understanding and a strategy, what's the quickest route to 200 a day withdrawals? If you're trying to do 200 a day in withdrawals, right? I personally would need to be making at least $400 a day if I was trying to take $200 out a day. So you're taking $200 for your pocket, $200 for your account to build. So you can always be building that buffer. But honestly, the best way to do it is base hitting. Like, I know I preach base hitting all the time. That's honestly the best way to get to the $200 a day withdrawals. My brother, I'm sorry to hear that, Chandler. That hurts my feelings as well. Sorry that happened to you. But question, right? Well, you already said you were revenge trading, so I'm not even going to ask that question. Because when you're revenge trading, all common sense for us traders, they literally, like, you have no common sense when you're revenge trading. Because you tell yourself, I shouldn't do it, and you still do it. It's weird. That's how I am, at least. I don't know about y'all. So grind out the evals. Honestly, bro, just base hit your evals. Once you're in the funded, you keep doing the same thing, just base hitting. I hate that feeling, bro. All right, how much do I need to make? Okay, so I need to make tomorrow $160, and that account will be fully funded. We'll take that. Welcome everybody. For all the new folks in here, welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout, your go-to daily night stream where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. I appreciate you tuning in. If you're new in here, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. I personally love to see how far these streams are reaching. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, it's annoying, Chandler, because I've been in that same situation. And like, you get to a point where you're like, I don't care if I blow this account. Even though you're only down like, even if you lose $1,000 and you're right there for get funded or the payout, well, mainly evals for me. But it literally goes out the window sometimes. All logic just goes out the window. You're like, you know what? Bump it. Like, if I blow it, I blow it, but I'm gonna keep trading. We got Landon in the house. Let's go, Wall Street. Not too far from me. What's up, Ricardo? How you doing tonight, brother? Hopefully you're having a solid Thursday. Staying safe over there on that West Coast. I was thinking about doing something very risky. I was thinking about going to Vegas this weekend. I don't know. Should I do that, boys? Should I go to Vegas this weekend? Go put a couple $100 on red or something. Who knows? I want to see if we get a little bear flag. Hey, let's go, Kiers. Welcome back, brother. Just woke up. Must be nice. I'm ready for bed. Like, today, don't judge your boy. My nutrition today has not been the best. I had my breakfast and my pre-workout protein shake, and that was it today. I've literally been on the go all freaking day since my workout. It's been a day. Jose, but if I go, right, it would be one of those things where I thought I froze for a second thinking that my computer froze again. But it would be the legit opportunity to flip it, right? Like, who knows? I've been told I need to go to Vegas because I seem to be extremely lucky. I want to go somewhere. That's all I know. I want to go somewhere this weekend, even if it's not Vegas. I gotta get on a plane and go somewhere. That's where I'm currently at. Hey, that's awesome. What else is there to do out there, bro? I was looking at this one thing that I thought would be amazing to do, but I told myself this trip going out there, I wouldn't do it because I want to take some more guys out there, you know what I'm saying, to do it. Because there's this thing where you could literally be inside a helicopter at door wide open, shooting a minigun out the helicopter. Curious, yes I have. You can drive tanks? That sounds pretty cool. So that's what I was thinking about wanting to do, but I'm like, I feel like that would have to be like a reward for me getting my largest payout or something like that. Because I would get their big package, it's like $5,000 for their big package, and just go shoot some stuff on mountains. So right now I'm working on some Tradeify payouts and elusive payout currently. What's up, Drum? Oh, Jose, it's gonna be crazy, bro. It would be crazy. Because I'm actually gonna pull it up real quick. I'm gonna show you for everybody in the chat that doesn't know exactly what I want to do with some of y'all. Vegas. All right, so that's that. Let me pull it up so you guys can see this thing. We will do, where's it at? Oh. I'm gonna mute the audio. What's the beeping noise? So that's not beeping. Those are insects outside my pool screen. I'm gonna turn that volume real low there. All right, this isn't it. Well, this is the place, but that's not the video I'm trying to show. Let's see, aerial. Where's the video at? They had a dope video. Man. No crickets. Here, let me go to their YouTube channel. Maybe that's it. Videos. All right, here we go. Y'all can't see that. There we go. So, you can shoot stuff on the ground, which is pretty cool. But you gotta shoot from the helicopter. That's the crazy part. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to do right there. I want to get in the helicopter and go shoot some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Man right there. You know what I'm saying? Good night, princess. Are you feeling better? I said, are you feeling better? You said no? Oh, yeah? Good. Hey, we got more people jumping in here. Make sure you're hitting that like button for your boy. I appreciate your help. The more you like, the more people can come vibe with us. For all the new folks in here, welcome to the Traders Hangout. We do these streams every night of the week, giving you a place to come talk trading, talk life, and everything in between. Hopefully you're enjoying. If you're new in here, let me know in the chat below where you're tuning in from. I personally love to see how far these streams are reaching because we got people in here from every corner of the world. I want to know what corner you're tuning in from. And do not forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so we can, one, get more likes on tonight's stream, and hit that sub button so I can give a trading desk away when we hit 3K. And we're getting closer and closer to that 3K. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying. What's that beeping noise? Oh, Jose, you already know, sir. I see the JK, but still. Last time I was in a helicopter, I got motion sickness. Sorry to hear that, bro. Good night, bud. I love you. Love you more. Don't tell my trainer, right? Don't tell my trainer, but I am eating Huey Magoo's grilled chicken. I got grilled chicken tonight. After the stream, it's getting delivered because I have not had time to cook, eat, or anything like that. So I will be eating some Huey Magoo's tonight. If we break this yellow line, it's going to give us a nice little short, probably down to this VWAP at 496.50. 496.50 would probably be where we're going. And I got a feeling we're going to go. We're going to get down there. All right, we just broke that little yellow line I drew on the chart. Let's see if we continue to fall down here. What a bear flag right there. There we go. Starting to pick up some speed now. I'd be looking for that VWAP, not VWAP, that pivot point. So right down here, right, I want another little flag to form to give us that confirmation that we're going to continue lower. Let me check to see what news we got for tomorrow, actually. Alrighty. Ooh, okay. Let's see what we got for news. Tomorrow, we got 8:30 news tomorrow. 8:30 news tomorrow. We got the NY Fed manufacturing at 8:30. We got 9:15 news. Then 12 o'clock news. Not a big fan of the 12 o'clock news, but we got 9:15 news pre-market once again. So we're just going to have to wait to see how the market wants to move tomorrow. Come up on 10 o'clock. Let me go. Let me switch something for one of my companies real quick before 10. Let's see, that one. Okay, gotcha. So how we feeling? How we doing this week? Are we green this week? Are we red this week? Are we flat this week? How we feeling? How we doing this week, boys, in the markets? This week, I've kind of, I don't know about y'all, I kind of felt off this week in the markets. Yeah, I honestly think it's because, one, the markets haven't been moving the way I really want them moving. And two, I think it's just because I've been pushing way too hard. I know I'm the only person in the room tonight that pushes hard when trading sometimes. But yeah, this week I've made money this week. I've lost some money this week. Not my best week of the month, I'll tell you that, but we're still green so far. All right, so that's done. Cool. Let's see here. Cool, that works. All right, what you guys think? We going down or we going up? What y'all feeling? What y'all thinking? Chat's real quiet tonight. We gotta make it a little bit more live. Don't mind me just getting some more water here. I'm putting it over the rocks. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all. Sometimes I like my H2O on the rocks. Still coming on down here. Pow to that next yellow line that I put. I would want to see another flag form right there, though, personally. I mean, I'm just getting ready to change the music. I need a little bit more upbeat. Dad jokes are hilarious. Oh, no, just throwing over the rocks, that's all. Let's see. Niner, the fact that you said Asia momentum, it's non-existence, bro. The overnight sessions don't have real momentum like we like. Those morning sessions, those are the best momentums we get. That pivot point's up for grabs like I originally said. Why are you trading Ziggy? I'm not. I do not trade the overnight sessions. I only trade the New York session live with you guys on YouTube with my market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. What do you usually trade? Yes, no, I trade the NASDAQ. I trade the NASDAQ Monday through Friday live with y'all. We officially need 60 more subs. Yeah, I'm giving away another trading desk. I'm excited. We go live 9:20 a.m. Eastern, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. So 10 minutes before market open for the New York session. And yes, we do the NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures if you're on TradingView. I trade minis, not micros. Zig, what do you trade? I do trade momentum moves. I like to do bull flags, bear flags with momentum. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. You wait for reversals? Okay. Zay, come join, bro. It's always a good vibe, good time. You're going to see us win, you're going to see us grow, and you'll see us learn it all together tomorrow. I'm glad today was a good day, fam. Yeah, today was a solid day for myself as well. It was solid. But this week, I haven't been excited when trading. It's weird. I don't know. Like this week, this has just been like a slightly off week for me. Like just with the way the markets have been moving, the way I've been feeling it with how it's moving. What is that? Hold up. What the? That whole thing moves like that? Is that a cup inside the cup? Let me stop messing with this before I mess up. Welcome everybody to the Traders Hangout. We do these streams every night of the week, giving you guys a place to come talk trade and talk life and everything in between. Hopefully you're having a good night and a solid week in the markets. For all the new folks in here, let me know where you're tuning in from. I love to see how far these streams are reaching because these streams are global. Welcome everybody. Do not forget to hit that like button. Hey, Zig, keep doing it, bro. Whatever you're doing that's working for you, keep doing it, right? A lot of traders, they forget to realize, and I'm glad you said I was learning patience, right? That is one of the hardest things to learn as a trader, right? Because we all get excited seeing the charts moving up and down, and we want to be in it. But you make the most money when you wait for your A++ setup. If you want to truly print in the markets, you have to wait for your A++ setup because trading is 95% psychology, 5% strategy, and clicking the button. So if you want to freaking print, stay consistent with waiting for your A++ setups. And don't do that thing called revenge trading or that thing called FOMO. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't want those. We don't want those. I think this weekend, depending upon where I go, if we fly out to Vegas or wherever we go, I'm gonna shoot some. I gotta shoot you guys another video for the channel. That's what I'll do. Depending upon where I go, shoot y'all a little educational video to help you guys level up once again. I'm assuming this is my food getting delivered. It is my food getting delivered. Because when this stream ends, I'm a shower and your boy is going to eat. Is it possible to share your screen via YouTube Live, or do you need software? Niner. So I use OBS. It's a free software on the computer. But if you're streaming on your phone, you may be able to share your screen that way. But if you're doing like the full setup like I do, you gotta use like OBS or Streamlabs or Stream Elements, one of those to be able to show everything. Hey, let's go, Niner. Get it, bro. BP, I feel that, bro. I definitely feel that. But Niner, if you're just trying to help them, why don't you do something like on Zoom? If you're trying to stream, then yeah, you'll software, but do Zoom. You can share your screen that way as well. You can do screen sharing on Discord. Zig, so when I'm home, I use Ninja Trader to execute my trades on. When I'm traveling, I'm using Tradeovate. What's up, Rob? Now the party can officially start. Rob is here finally. Now we can officially start the Traders Hangout because Rob showed up. Hot tub got cold. Bust out the Patron and Dom Perignon. Next week, I'm thinking about doing something different with the Trader Hangouts. I'm thinking about opening up these Trader Hangouts to have a few guests via Zoom on the Traders Hangout. How do you guys feel about that? Opening it up to have some guests, like members of the Legacy Wealth Society, come on some of these Hangouts via Zoom, and I'll have the Zoom stuff pulled up so you can see them, everything like that as well. Think about. That's how it would work, Rob. So I would have a Zoom link for the guests, and I would probably make my screen a little bit smaller where you can see me, or I'll put in the corner pretty much the same size or a little bit smaller the person on Zoom. Y'all want any haircuts for the Zoom? Not necessarily. Or I could do it where I'll be up top and on the bottom where the chart is. That would be where the person would be at. Call Moves, you already know, bro. He'll be at my place on Saturday, giving me the fresh baldy. So I feel like we're going to build the flag right here. I'm bored too. You're bored, Rob. That's not good. I'm not bored. Your boy's just exhausted. Oh, bald. I'm like, hey, nothing wrong with being bald, bro. Nothing wrong with being bald. Question for you that's looking at me right there. How are you doing this week in the markets? Are you green? Are you red? Are you flat? Let me know in the chat. Hey, let's go, Rob. Let's freaking go. Love to hear that, bro. As long as you're winning, that means I'm winning, bro. Bald men have to stick together. Verde. I have to make on one of my evals tomorrow, like $140 to make it funded again. So we're gonna do that, but I'm gonna just copy trade from my funded account. So whenever I base hit my funded, it'll base hit that eval. Hey, let's go, Rob. We printed another bear flag there. I called it out earlier. At the beginning of tonight's stream, we're going to go down and touch that pivot. And look where we're going. Like, mama, there goes that man. I literally called it out because we had the bear flag. I'm like, all right, cool. We're going to build another bear flag in this area. Take his lower. It doesn't get easier than that. Rob, honestly, if you want to have more knowledge and understanding of your trade performance starting off, go with Tradeify. If you're more concerned about speed of your payout, like 30 minutes for a payout, go with Lucid. But Tradeify's trading journal is very beneficial for a trader. It lets you know what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, so you can correct it and keep printing. Come on, swipe this pivot so I can be happy right now. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Why you tease me? We were like a tick off. We were like a tick off from that. That's craziness. Hey, let's go, Niner. Niner, you've been printing lately, bro. You've been printing. I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you, man. For real. Maybe we build another little flag. I want to swipe that pivot. I need to swipe that pivot. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. And let me go check something because I haven't checked it whatsoever. That's not right though. Let me resync that. Hey, Warrior likes it. All right, cool. I'm gonna keep asking throughout the weekend because if everyone's like wants to do it, I'm gonna get it set up so we can have guests like probably like once or twice a week. I think it would be cool. Niner, I'm glad you found a home where you could trade successfully and be around like-minded traders. Apply filters. That makes 0 sense. Oh, my bad for making that black on you. My bad. Let me get that fixed. There we go. You kind of already do. Your girl is the guest host sometimes. Yes, but she ain't talking trading stuff. You know what I'm saying? I want to get more traders on so we could have a trading dialogue where we could just bounce ideas off of each other and just level up. Oh, she's definitely funny. She keeps me entertained, that's for sure. For all the new folks coming in here, welcome to tonight's Traders Hangout, your go-to daily night stream where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. I truly appreciate coming in here tonight. For all the new folks in the chat below, let me know where you're tuning in from. I love to see how far these streams are reaching because these streams are global. I want to know what corner of the world you're tuning in from. And do not forget to hit that like button because when you hit that like button, it lets YouTube know they need to push it to people just like yourself. Quality traders trying to win the markets each and every day. Searching for that financial freedom and just the overall life freedom. So don't forget to hit that like button. Let's go. We now need 59 more subs. 59 more subs. And I'm giving away a trading desk. Crazy. Hey, one day at a time, we're getting there. And jump in the pool. You are correct. Yeah, actually, I got to sign up. Let me register for this big old challenge. It wants me to answer all this trading profile. Tradify, you doing too much. Have you ever paid for a prop firm challenge? I need a laptop giveaway. So do I, bro. Which prop firms have you used? Tradify. What's up, Donk? How you been, bro? I'm just filling out this little survey from Tradify. There we go. Crazy that they make you do that. All right, I'm officially in. I'm officially in the tournament for a trade. What was that? What in the world? A bug just landed on my coat. Get out of here, little sucker. Jive turkey, as Steve would say. That's a good question, Niner. How many contracts are you trading? You trading one contract or more? Rob, eventually, bro. Maybe when we hit like 1 million subs or like 500K subs, we give something crazy away like that. Don, glad you've been good, bro. I've been thriving. I've been thriving and living. So that's all that matters, right? Then you gotta jump in the ocean. We'll get that done as well. We tapped that pivot. There you go, Warrior. He's been trading 10 micros. About to go to minis. So last year when Tradeify had the little tournament, I was actually in it. I was in the tournament, but I stopped doing it because I felt like it was taken away from me trading my regular accounts. Where this time I'm just going to copy trade the tournament account on my regular fundeds. So every time I'm trading my regular, it'll be trading that as well. So just base hitting. It's crazy. So I'm reading what this is going to be, right? The first stage, the 17th to May 22nd, the top 1,000 traders advance, highest account balance. The second part of the tournament, the 26th of May through June 5th, traders compete one-on-one every day, highest balance wins. That's crazy. 1 mini, 10 micros. Oh, this is going to be fun. Because before I stopped doing it last year for the tournament, I was like, I got down to like what was it, like 600 something, and I just didn't care to do it anymore. Yeah, that'd be cool, right? Maybe everybody should enter and do LWS as the last portion. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. LWS. I'm updating my name. Let's go. Underscore. There we go. Duane Broom with LWS underscore. Ha. Now we ready. Rob, appreciate you saying that, bro. Appreciate you saying that. So, if anyone else is entering in the tournament with Tradeify, put your name for your username for the tournament and then underscore LWS. Bro, I don't know where I would be without you, bro. Thank you. The tournament starts on Monday. And we gotta show people about what the LWS does, you know what I'm saying? Everybody plays the rules, that they do. Niners, so it's actually free if you already have like a prop account with them. So if you have a prop account with Tradeify, you can enter the tournament for free. And you may, if you go to their website, I'll actually check for you. You may be able to enter in still for free. Let me check. Tradeify. How's that even possible? Yeah, so if you go to Tradeify's website, you could, if you have no prop account with Tradeify currently, you could join for free. Warrior, you can. if you go to their website, you can join for free. Do we have any questions? Does anyone have any questions tonight? We got 9 more minutes on tonight's stream. 9 more minutes on tonight's stream. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat so we can get them answered for you so you can grow from tonight's stream. Any questions, throw them in there. We'll get them answered before we get off tonight so that way you're ready to execute in the markets. Have a good night, Rob. Feeling. Have a good night, Niner. And for everybody that's in here, do me a solid favor, hit that like button, because the more likes we get, the more YouTube pushes these streams. And we want as many people on these streams learning and growing with us. Welcome, everybody. If I was actually taking trades on tonight's session, it would have been a solid little trade night. You know what I'm saying? Would have taken the bear flag. Would have taken another bear flag. Would have made a couple dollars. Let me see. How can you do it on? I don't like that. Is there a way on TradingView? Y'all let me know. For you to see how much a trade would have been if you would have taken it. Try to see here. Tap of that 21 EMA right there. We stay above that 21, we may start trying to push back up. What's good, Professor? How you doing, brother? Let's see if we get a little bull flag there. Possible here. I didn't feel like... I saw it, right? But it's minus 50, minus 200, 16 bars. Hey, South Florida, kiddo. How old you think I am, bro? I'm older than a kid. Hey, let's go, Professor. Good job, bro. Proud of you. Follow your strategies, bro. It will pay. Base freaking hits. Base freaking hits. Not sure. Curie's making a Panda Express run. Well, you better hurry up, bro. Go get that food, bro. How old are you? I'll tell you if I'm younger or older. Yeah, you're definitely older than me. Hey, let's go, Professor. Straight printing today. Good job. I'm 35. I'm 35. I didn't know that I could just click that button. That's cool. I could put emojis on my screen. That's pretty interesting. Minus 50 NQ equals 1,000. Okay. So that trade then would have been about $1,000 if I would have taken it. No, Seth. I only take trades during the morning session for the New York trading session. So 9:20 a.m. we go live. We start taking trades after the New York session opens. Open a paper trading account and plot. Tonight, the night streams are strictly a Traders Hangout where we're talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Welcome, my fellow Floridian. I'm in Florida as well. Up in Central Florida. You in South Florida. Okay, so I just turned on the paper trading on this. I've never done this before on trading view. Well, I think we tried like one time. I didn't like it. Let's see. I would do. Not looking. Can't really see momentum. We got that buying wick. So we get above. We'll hit a buy. I don't know how it just put me in. I was not putting it right there. Okay. This is interesting. Who trades on TradingView? I was trying to put the limit above the 21 EMA. How do you do this? Okay, there you go. Is that it? There we go. Click the wrong button. What's up? What's up? Hold the shift key to enter and drag. All right, there we go. We're getting ready to end the stream, actually. Sorry to disappoint. Got probably like another 2 minutes. I'm trying to see how this paper trading works on TradingView. I've never used TradingView to trade or anything like that, so. But Alec, come back tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow morning, we're live once again. And tomorrow night, we're live also. So, plenty of time to jump on one of these streams. 9:20 in the morning tomorrow for the New York session. 9:30 p.m. for the Traders Hangout tomorrow night. Hey, Warrior. I would definitely appreciate it on another time. Got you, man. Got you. Let's see, if we get below the pivot, that's where I wasn't trying to get in. This is crazy. Pull the TP up. I don't have a take profit put on. On the left of the number of contracts. Yeah. I would expect at least that 21 EMA get tapped. I was trying to I want to put a long order above the 21 EMA. Yeah, I see the TP. Oh, so I dragged that. Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it. So you do the same for the stop loss? Oh, okay, okay. Gotcha. That's pretty cool. I like that feature of being a little draggy. I kind of like that. How can I remove like the stuff being plotted on the screen though? We're chilling. We ain't printing, we're chilling. Yeah, I just noticed that. I did the, whoa, what did I do? Oh boy, let me not do that. I clicked the wrong button, I think. Oh God, what, oh God. Oh God, let me take that off. Wait, I took one contract off? Oh boy. I had two, so, okay. Wait, I was trying to sell. I'm so confused. I clicked the wrong button and I think I'm in a sell now or something because it put a sell order up there. I'm gonna close that. Oh, click on too many buttons. All right, TP. We'll put that up there. I need this to pull back down a little bit. Let's see if I get put into this trade here. All right, I just got put in. What's up, Jay Carlos? I'm just messing around right now, bro. I don't know how why this is saying realize $12,000. Oh, realize P&L. Okay. Yeah, I'm just playing around with this right now, checking it out. As long as we stay above that 21 EMA, I'm okay being in for a long. But we're currently below that 21. And we got that pivot. Luckily, this is paper. I'm not losing anything. All right, we got 5 more minutes. I'll be jumping off here. Still an uptrend. I'm just clicking buttons right now. This is interesting to me. We got selling pressure right there, so. Come on, Betsy. I know you want to go up there to my take profit, up there at the 591.75. I know you want to get up there. Go ahead, girl. You can do it. Take me higher. I hate how this covers the actual the candle. I don't like it covering the candle. Come on, Betsy. I know what you want to do. Think you can... Yeah, I've never paper traded on TradingView. I'm just testing some stuff. Come on, give me my money. What's up, Jaden? That'd be pretty cool. But I don't trade on TradingView, so thank God I don't have to really concern myself with that. Come on. Come on, give me 1,000 on this trade at least. Give me 1,000 on this one. I know you want to. I know you want to. I know you want to keep going higher for me. But I'll take the easy 1,000 first. I trade on Ninja Trader. I execute on the morning stream on Ninja Trader. And when I'm traveling, I execute on Tradeovate. Yeah, looks like it's going to be another bull flag right there, personally. That's what I'm feeling, thinking. We're going to see if it prints, though. We got 35 seconds left on this candle. Feel like this is trying to give us another bull flag. It wants to give me that 2,000. It wants to give me my $2,000 take profit. There we go. Let's see if we get this bull flag. Come on, Betsy. All right, close. It's pulling back. We're going to possibly come down, touch that 21. But hey, at least for some paper trading, trading journal. So trying to figure this out. So 855, 805, 240. 1 minus 50. Trying to figure it out. How do you chart on Ninja Trade? You can. I personally don't really chart on Ninja. I'll put the flags on it, but I like using TradingView for all my charting. Like this paper train is actually kind of dangerous, not gonna lie. This paper train is kind of dangerous. Yeah, I don't like how I can't see the actual candle. Yeah, I've never paper traded. I've always learned it in the live markets on funded accounts or evals. Well, there goes that bull flag. There she goes. My original take profit was 604. No, we just passed through it actually. Slide over the chart. I would expect another bull flag to form up here. Drag left. If I drag left, it takes it off the screen for y'all.
Something about you that just pulls me in with every word. You just bring me to life. A force that I can't deny. Oh, I'm enchanted by you.
I know, I'm just messing around right now, fam. Let's see us rip through this yellow line for this bull flag. Hey, let's go, robot. Let's go. We should pop through that top yellow line and go up to that VWAP. That VWAP looks like it wants to get tapped. And I'll just sit in this. Not liking that potential fake out there, so I closed that. 950 on that one. Maybe I gotta trade some of these overnight sessions. All right, gentlemen, I'm officially done for tonight. I will see you guys in the morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, ready to trade the New York session with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed tonight's Traders Hangout. I will catch y'all in the morning. Be blessed, everybody. Stay safe. I'll catch y'all. Yeah, what I'll do, BP, honestly, I'll probably grab like a Trader Hangout eval. And we'll see how it goes from there. All right, family. Deuces.